think my thing is writing easy-peasy baking books. I like to simplify. It doesn't mean that if you're a sophisticated baker or cook, you couldn't make one of my recipes, but my goal is short ingredient lists, recipes that fit on one page, things that are already in your pantry, 20 minutes or less. That's kind of my thing. Mm-hmm. With that said, I assume that most people who are baking for my books are probably a cook. There'll be, it falls somewhere in the middle. There'll be people who've never baked before. There'll be people that are more sophisticated but just want to make something easy that day. And I tend to write for the people that don't know anything. Don't get me wrong, when I write a recipe and I don't have to explain how to make a makeshift double boiler, which is like an inch of water simmering in a pot with a bowl on top. And I don't have to say that, I love it, but I always include it because I just don't want to have that one reader who's like, what's a double boiler? Yeah. Or what does makeshift mean?